What's up, lovies? Another day, another vlog. Good morning sa inyong lahat. So, ayan. Today is the day na work na naman ulit. Si Ma'am Shinyo and mamaya na ako magligo-ligo. Tsaka maghilamos kasi nga gusto ko pang magligid-ligid zay. As usual, kailangan kong magluto before pumasok sa aking work. And yung natira na lang dito is yung lamb na mince. So, dahil palakain kaming mag-asawa, madaling maubos ang aming grocery. Yeah, oh by the way, itong ubo ko, kahit ano na yung iniinom ko, naglaga na ako ng luya na may lemon, na may honey, hindi pa rin matanggal-tanggal tong ubo ko. Which is super annoying niya talaga. Yan talaga yung iniinom ko dati, kahit nga hindi ako inuubo. Like, every night, umiinom talaga ako ng luya na may lemon. Easy na yan sa akin. Alam niyo, Bisaya, check. Uso yan sa akin. But yeah, ginawa ko din yan for the last how many days na. But still, andito pa rin yung cough ko. But, hindi ko pa nakikita na it's better. But, hopefully, maayos na siya. Nakakailang tubig ako. Mga nakakatatlo akong ganito a day. So, yeah, I can't wait na mawala tong ubo ko. I think dito talaga to sa weather. Like, nanibago ako or maybe medyo meron akong allergy. Basta hindi ko alam. So, ito lang yung gagawin ko sa lamb na mince. Kasi ito lang yung meron kami for now. Lalagyan ko siya ng red pepper. Itong tomato roasted and garlic sauce. Tapos this. So, simple lang, lovies. Parang pasta lang ba? If merong pasta, magluluto ko ng pasta. If not, edi rice na naman. as usual. Alam mo, 3 days ago pa lang kami nag-grocery. Tapos, paubos na yung, wala na kaming food. Like, yan na lang yung natira. Sa bagay kasi, twice a day talaga ako nagluluto. Like, gusto kasi, mga fresh food yung mga niluluto ko para sa aking dalawa. So, yeah, like, a lot of you, lovies, said, luto na lang ng madami. Yes, ginagawa ko talaga yan. But, si Franco talaga, maya-maya talaga siya kumakain. Hindi ko alam dyan. Kasi nga, diba, nag-workout kasi siya, kaya matakaw talaga siya kumain. So, kahit anong daming luto ko, yung asawa ko is matakaw talaga kumain. Wala nang natitirang pang dinner or pang lunch. Start na tayo magluto. Lagyan ko lang siya ng olive oil. Parang gusto ko ata ni Franco ng brown rice. So, magluluto ata ako ng brown rice. Ito yung mga hiniwa ko kanina. So, yeah. Naiiyak ako dito sa sibuyas. Yan, kakatapos ko lang magluto, Lavis. Hugasan ko lang tong mga pinggan and rest konti before prepare to work. So yan lang ang ganap today.
So, kain na tayo. Kanina pa kami kumain. Nakalimutan lang namin mag-vlog. We forgot to vlog. How's the food?
Well, I have to say, I feel like a king right now. I'm wearing Joanna's bathrobe and I'm eating Joanna's food. So, I can actually say, very good.
In fairness, masarap yung pagkaluto ko nito. It's good, no? I think I cooked the last time, but this one is the best one, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe because today you're in a good mood. That's why you cooked it good.
Just a lot there. For
Not
sure when I
really.
come back, later tonight, there's nothing left.
It's crazy, isn't it? I'd have all of it. Really, you should have different kinds of fruit throughout the day. And yes, guys, we're eating healthy at the moment. We had some broccoli with that, brown rice.
Brown rice.
I'm having to force feed Joanna to eat vegetables again, as usual.
What do you think vegetable?
Hang on a minute, we have matching bathrobe now, different colour.
That's mine kasi. Wow. I'm so proud of myself today by cooking this so good. There's a lot there. You didn't have to treat me like that. Bitokon. You say bitokon ko.
Atiton ko.
No, bitokon.
Atiton. What did atiton ko mean again?
You have a lot of airwalks.
Oh.
So, ayan, lovies. Ready na ako to work. And, medyo meron tayong haring dalaw today. So, it's okay lang. Medyo, ito, tinake ko to kaninang umaga. And, medyo parang, ano siya, nakatulong naman. This one. Tapos, this one. Parang, ano siya, like tea. So, nilagyan ko siya ng mainit na tubig kaninang umaga. Medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. So, magbabaon ako nito sa work. Kitag-isa lang. Yan. Actually, kay ano to, kay Uncle. So, manghingi tayo ng isa-isa. Dahil natin sa work. Kasi nga, para maalis na tong ubo-ubo kazay. So, yeah, since a lot of you nag-request dun sa kung ano nga ba ang aking work. So, today is i-reveal natin kung ano yung work ng mamshi nyo. Ang dadalhin ko kayo dun sa aking work. So, slowly lang natin i-reveal ha. But, so, yeah! Excited na ba kayo? So, excited na ako. Sige. Kasi madami sa inyo nung last vlog ko kung ano ba talaga yung work ko. But I choose not to share with you guys kung ano nga yung work ko. But this time, okay, pagbigyan ko na kayo, sasabihin ko na kung ano yung work ko. But mag-ready muna si Momshi nyo before tayo makikimarites na naman today. Mga marites talaga kayo, mga lovies, ha? Yung pagiging marites nyo ay huwag dalasan. I-ready ko lang yung bag ko, lovies, para wala tayong makalimutan sa work. And of course, dadalhin ko rin tong water bottle ko kasi importante ito. So yeah, see you mamaya sa ating chismis/marites. Yeah. So, ready to work. Ah. In fairness, medyo okay. Medyo okay yung panahon ngayon. Not too gray, but still gray. Yeah. Ay, Diyos mio, Marimar. Let's do it. After not working for 3 days. No, I mean, it's my day off. So yeah, back to work. Masakit yung puson ko lang. I think it's painful.
What?
I think it's painful.
So you know schools at the moment. It's a big school here. Always traffic.
Why there's no school?
There is school, but later. 3 o'clock. There's always traffic.
So, kailangan ako ni Franco i-drop ng maaga. Kasi may meeting siya mamaya. And dyan, malapit sa bahay, may school dyan. May eskwelahan. So, it costs always a traffic every 3 p.m.
Alas stress.
Alas stress. So, magkape-kape na lang siguro ako sa work. And dahil dyan, kakain tayo ng KitKat. Chocolate. Kain tayo ng chocolate.
My KitKat?
It's not yours.
How is my work? Busy.
Busy again.
Busy as always.
Friday, I'm here. And nakatulog ako saglit.
You just woke up, didn't you?
I just woke up. Nakatulog ako saglit. My gosh, so... I still have time. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, lovies, so, ayan, dito na ako sa workplace and meron pa kaming time. So, this is a work reveal. So, ayan, sasabihin ko na sa inyo. I work in a 5-star hotel dito sa UK as a receptionist. Yun lang.
You want to show them on the outside?
Yeah, but I will not tell you guys which the hotel because that's information is very private. So, ayan. Ayan, pa-bonus ko na yun sa iyo pa Christmas. So, ayan, nandito na ako. And yes, si Ma'am Shinyo is receptionist dito sa UK. So, yeah. So, ayan, lovies. Dito na ako sa work. Doon lang ako dadaan sa kabilang entrance. So, si Franco na lang ang bahala sa inyo. And I'll see you later, lovies. See you later, love.
See ya. Enjoy.
Bye. So, lovies, ayan, dito ako sa reception today. My colleague. Tapos na yung work ko. Antay na lang ako kay Franco. Ayan. Super Christmas na ngayon. Tour ko kayo dito sa aming front desk. Ayan, may Christmas tree kami dyan na malaki. And then, yan yung shop namin. And we have another Christmas tree here. No, it's not Christmas tree, like mga cozy tingnan. Ayan. Yan lang. Like, ayan. Yan lang muna kasi para hindi ba? But yeah, so far, yan. So, nag-aantay na lang ako kay Franco. Malapit na daw siya. Ayun, I'm so sorry, lovies. Ready to bed na ako. So, maraming salamat sa panonood ng vlog today. I hope you're enjoying by watching this vlog. And huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. And like this video as well. Don't forget as well to turn on the notification bell below para ma-update kayo agad whenever we upload a new vlog. Thank you, lovies. Good night. Be kind.